Here we are on the cusp of another Christmas, getting ready to be wrapped in the warmth of twinkling lights and, of course, be enchanted by the melodies of our favorite Christmas carols. And I get it. Not everyone celebrates Christmas. But no matter how you choose to spend your days at this time of year, there's one thing that is for certain, at least in my opinion. The season holds profound significance in all of our hearts. It's a time for reflection. It's a time for togetherness. The season beckons all of us to embrace this enduring spirit of peace. Because let's face it, we live in a world that's rife with discord and tension and unrest, chaos. But Christmas remains this timeless beacon of hope and joy. It's a promise of tranquility. The peace of Christmas extends way beyond the normal festivities, the glittering decorations, the giving of gifts. It lives in our collective yearning for harmony, which transcends borders and nations and ethnicities and all of that stuff. One of the most poignant aspects about the Christmas season, and I believe this is true from the very first Christmas until this day, one of the most poignant aspects of the season is its ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. It challenges us to look beyond the surface of our daily lives and to witness the magic. The magic that lies in the simple things, the simplest acts of kindness and compassion, whether that be the warmth of a shared meal or the embrace of a loved one, or even the selfless giving that defines this season. These are the threads that weave the tapestry of the peace, the unity that is Christmas. In the midst of global challenges and uncertainties, of which there are many, the Christmas spirit becomes a catalyst for change. It encourages us to set aside our differences and to focus on our common humanity. Because the Christmas season is really about unity. It's about our shared commitment to create a world where peace is not just a fleeting sentiment, as Bob Marley says, not a fleeting illusion to be pursued but never attained, but rather a guiding principle that shapes our interactions, our intentions, our aspirations, and dare I say, our policies. So as we celebrate Christmas, let us reflect on the power of hope. The lifeblood of possibilities, I call it, hope. Let us reflect on that. Let us reflect on the unwavering belief that no matter how obstinate our obstacles become, they can be surmounted. Let us reflect on the unwavering belief that no matter how dark it gets, light will prevail. The narrative of Christmas, with its timeless stories of resilience and redemption and the triumph of good over evil, invites all of us to become agents of hope in a world that yearns for a brighter tomorrow. Let that inspire you. May we all be inspired by that. Let us be inspired to take that spirit of unity and hope and compassion into our daily lives. Let that permeate our lives. Let it permeate our families. Let it permeate the community, the nation. Let it ripple across the world and extend beyond this season. Stay blessed.